So let's start today's art. For that I'm going to draw very simple shapes like a rectangle or a square. So you can draw plus sign or without plus sign, and it's going to be super duper easy. This is, I'm going to draw a rectangle, but just slightly, like this is a straight line, so I will tilt this one just slightly this way, so it's a tilted rectangle. So I'm done with this rectangle shape. Now I'm going to draw one square shape, so I can start from here like this way and just a little bit out from here. This one can go straight or tilted, doesn't matter. So it's going to be really far, not that much, just little bit of space here, not really down. Maybe it's a rectangle shape, not really square. So from here little bit of space, and here I'm giving a little bit more space here. And let me erase everything from inside. So I got two shapes here. Now it's time to curve all of them. So this corner, this corner, this corner, all corners I will curve them. Even this one I will curve this one, and top slightly, not really, slightly I will curve all of them. Now here on the bottom of this one, two of them I will draw, and here I will draw big eyes. If it's going a little bit out, that's totally fine, you can draw out. Because this is a cartoon version and it's just an easy one. Now on the top I will draw one line, curvy. If you cannot do curvy line, you can do straight line, that's totally fine. Alphabet V, but super duper skinny. And from this eye, do sad face, and then smiley, sad face, and smiley. And if it's pointed here, curve them. And from here, double lines. If you cannot do the double lines, you can do single line, that's totally fine. Same thing like here we did, smiley or sad face, and draw a few lines here. Now I'm going to draw here between these two one alphabet U type, or C you can say. And let me erase a little bit here and make it light, and another alphabet U. And then I will draw one just like a cup, and I will erase the bottom line little bit, so I just erased over here. And again this is going to be alphabet U inside, and you can make a dot here. The way you want to decorate, you can decorate, that's totally fine. Now I will make it a little bit dark here, so I will know this is the line. Now we have to do one leg from here, another leg under this one, so here, one in the back, and one over here. So this one and this one, they are going to be a little bit longer. And over here just you can draw a triangle shape. Now over here you can draw some black spots the way you like. So not so many, few of them. and here you can draw eyes over here.